Hi there! Welcome to our channel, Learning Languages by Listening and Practicing. Let's start.
Scenario 1. Discussing the weather forecast.
Hi, Tom. Have you checked the weather forecast for the weekend?
Hey, Alice! Not yet, but I heard it's going to be sunny and warm.
That sounds perfect for our picnic plans. I was worried it might rain.
Yeah, it's a relief. We can finally enjoy some outdoor activities without worrying about the weather.
Absolutely. I've been craving sunshine after all those rainy days.
Me too. Let's make the most of it and soak up some vitamin D.
Definitely. I'll bring the sunscreen and picnic basket. Can't wait for Saturday.
Scenario 2. Dealing with unexpected weather changes.
Hey, Chris. Did you bring an umbrella today? It looks like it might rain later.
Hi, Emily. No, I didn't. The weather forecast said it would be sunny all day.
I know, but the clouds are getting darker. It's always better to be prepared, just in case.
You're right. I'll grab my umbrella from the office before heading out for lunch.
Good idea. It's better to stay dry than to get caught in the rain.
Thanks for the heads up, Emily. I appreciate it.
No problem, Chris. Stay dry.
Scenario 3. Making plans based on the weather.
Hey, Sarah! Do you want to go for a hike this weekend?
Hi, Mike. That sounds fun, but I heard there might be thunderstorms on Saturday.
Oh, really? That's disappointing. I was looking forward to exploring the trails.
Yeah, it's a bummer. But Sunday's forecast looks much better. How about we go hiking then?
That sounds like a plan. Let's keep an eye on the weather updates and confirm our plans closer to the weekend.
Agreed. It's always good to be flexible with outdoor activities.
Definitely. Thanks for letting me know about the weather forecast, Sarah.
No problem, Mike. Looking forward to our Sunday hike.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and follow our next videos.